bigger plate for the ultrasonic and for the LED light area, which is in fact infrared on here. And then we've also got an electric massage stimulator, which I'm going to walk you through as well in a minute or two. But we just plug this in very simply, and then the device has several functionalities, which I can talk you through. So we power it on first and foremost, and then we have the infrared LED. You've got 4 lights that red lights that you can see there on the plate. And that's just showing you that the LED is actually on and it's functioning, because in fact infrared, which is where the lights are here, are actually not visible to the human eye. So the 4 red lights are just showing you that this is working. Now at the same time as having that infrared light on, which is great for firming and plumping up the skin, so you can use this any way you like. You can also have the ultrasonic mode, and there's 2 levels here. You can have high or low, 2 settings. It's pretty simple. You would have to use this with a water-based gel or any other kind of serum. This is the Ultra Renew gel serum that we made especially for these devices, which gives you a lot of slip. It's great to use. Or you can simply use your best firming body lotion. This one is from Osmotics and has blue copper in it and is specifically for firming and lifting the body. And ultrasonic and LED will help those products penetrate more efficiently into the skin. And then we have the EMS mode. So then if you've got areas of your body where you want to really firm up and tone the muscle, you might have some cellulite that you want to deal with, that's where EMS comes in. You can only use the EMS setting on its own though, so we would need to turn off the ultrasonic and the LED, and we're going to go straight to the EMS mode. And here I'm going to show you how you assemble this. So it's pretty straightforward. You've got a cord that you plug into the side of the device at the top here, and then there are 2 pads. You pull off the plastic coating, and that will reveal 2 sticky pads. And if the stickiness for any reason stops being as tacky as you would like, you can simply add a little bit of water to it and it'll start to be sticky again. And you can put this anywhere on the body that you want to be able to treat. And actually, let me just show you. You can put these a few inches apart, 3 or 4 inches apart. And so I would say, you could say deal with, you know, the outer thigh in one go, or inner thigh in the next go, similarly for the arm areas. And then here we can choose between a number of settings. So I've got low through to high, so you'd pick the intensity that feels comfortable for you. And then here I've got several modes. First of all, I've got 2 fairly gentle vibrating modes. And I can feel these tingling very nicely in my arms, and I can put the setting up and feel that even more. So it's like a sort of gentle buzz. And then I've got a second version, which is a little bit more intense, but still very gentle. And then I'm going to move on to mode number 3, which is kind of more like a kneading. You should actually start to see this kick in a second or two, and you can see it moving on the muscle. There you are. So that's like a sort of a kneading. And then we can move to a massage. And that's kind of like a more of a regular, intense pulsing. And a little bit of a vibration going on there. So this is great for really treating cellulite and areas that you need to firm up. And then mode number 5 is sort of more like a tapping. That's more like a regular pulsing, so you can really feel that getting to work on areas that are a little bit flabby and need toning up. So that is the Ultra Renew Sculpt.